how to transfer TikTok Paylater to Gcash. The first thing that you'll do is just simply pulling up your TikTok account, make sure that you're logged in. Now in your profile, just simply tap on the three lines at the top right portion of your screen and go to balance. Now in here, if you are eligible to have the TikTok Paylater, your balance should be able to show here under coins. Now, for you to do it or withdraw it to your Gcash, go to Live Rewards, and then from here, you'll just have to input on the specific amount on how much you would like to withdraw or transferring it over to your Gcash account. Now, once or after you typed in or input the specific amount you'd like to withdraw, go to the Withdraw tab right here, and once you tap on withdraw, you will be redirected to a payment method in which you'll have to choose and use your Gcash account for you to be able to transfer it successfully. So that's it. That's how you transfer TikTok Pay Later to your Gcash.